Hi everyone, welcome back to another cooking episode on this channel. My name is Fumilayo. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, I'd love if you subscribe to this channel for more exciting cooking videos. Today I will be preparing gnocchi, or gnocchi or gnocchi. I don't know how it is pronounced correctly. I hope I didn't butcher it. For this recipe, these are the ingredients that I'll be using. 2 yellow potatoes, half a cup of semolina flour, half a cup of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and 1 egg. The first thing we have to do is to wash these potatoes, then put them in a preheated oven at 400°F. The potatoes are cleaned. Then we have to fork them like so into the already preheated oven at 400°F. For 45 minutes after, I'll be using this. This is a potato ricer, cheap and easy to clean. I bought these in Tanzania or in Tanzania. So I'm just gonna look at that. So this is our potato, the semolina. I'm going to add all. This I usually do by eye. I usually don't measure, but for the sake, the egg is warm, not that hot. The egg is in, and in goes half of the oil and a pinch of salt. Same way you make pasta. Very, very easy to make. So it's still a bit soft, so at this point I'm going to be adding flour just to bring everything together. I'm sure the Italian will not agree to. Gnocchi, even the Italian, smooth. All right, so I'm going to take care of this mess and we'll start rolling. But make sure you flour the mat so that it's not sticky. And I'm going to do this. Divide it into 2 equal parts. This is already sticky. So I like my gnocchi very soft, like. And do this one by one. These are basically dumplings in a way. A knob of butter in the pre-made green sauce. Look at that. It's time to serve. Now our work is done. It is time to taste. It is delicious. That is becoming my favorite saying. Of course it is delicious. I made it. Frankly, the gnocchi's texture is not good at all. It is still soft and moist, and it all comes together with the green sauce. Like I said before, as a simple green sauce, I basically sauteed onion, garlic, green peas and spinach together, a little bit of homemade chicken stock, blend that together with a bit of butter, then you add the gnocchi. It tastes delicious. You should give it a try and tell me what you think. Enough of me saying it is delicious. You know, somebody's out there should also tell me it is delicious. So why don't you give this a try and tell me what you think? Tell me what you think in the comment below. Like I said before, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. Click that face of mine, click on it and subscribe. It's that simple. I hope to see you next week on another cooking episode on this channel. Till then, bye.